Okay, so nothing has changed much. After the rally, all of them actually goes back into a retracement. And this big drop, a more significant drop is because of the data yesterday. It's stronger than expected, meaning that there's a data in US. It came out and it's stronger than expected, and it causes the investors to think that okay, the data is good and the economy is still strong. That's why the US might hike a higher rate, meaning that right now a stronger data would mean that the Feds would raise the interest rate. That's why although it's a good data, the whole market drops. It's because of that. Okay, but it did not drop that much, although it's really strong, and they thought that it would make the Fed would make higher interest rate. It's because that a few days back, last Wednesday, the Powell actually said that they will slow down the rate hike. That's why, although it indicates a strong data, but it did not drop that much. It did not drop that. It did not drop like this day. How it went up, it did not drop like that. It only dropped halfway. So it's currently still supported. It's still okay. Yeah. Currently it's in the box lah. Like I said, it's inside this box. It's inside this box. It's going nowhere. It's going sideways. Until it has decided where it's going to go. It's going to go sideways. So right now, I think it's all dependent on for Malaysian stocks. It's all dependent on Malaysian itself. Depends on the syndicate. Okay, so for this MASTEEL, the plan is still the same. 38 cents is a strong support. 37.5, so 38 cents. If we break, just cut loss. If we won't break, then just try to I will hold and maybe hold for 2 to 3 days. If we can't break out, then I might just break even. Yeah. If we can break out, then we'll see 41 cents at least. 41 to 42 cents, or maybe retesting the previous high. Yeah, this area, 43 cents. But he will need to break out at 45 cents and then close the closing price to close higher than 45 cents to form a higher high. So, but currently it's still a symmetrical triangle. Yeah, just consolidating inside a symmetrical triangle, just waiting for breakout only. Yeah, if we can break out, he will just shoot out. If you can't break out, then we will still need to wait. But currently it's squeezing already. That's why I thought yesterday it's a breakout, but it did not break out. It's not strong enough. The momentum cannot follow through. The most important one is DATAPRP and SEDANIA. Okay, yesterday it shoots up really crazily, really crazily. So for this candlestick, actually previously it has some candlestick like this also, like this one. Okay, it's even crazier than this one. So I'm not sure if it might follow like this one. It's not like it's not possible. It's quite possible one, but I don't know. That's why let's look at it. I don't want to make a fix. I don't want to fix my view that this can't or this cannot, because yesterday when it popped up to 20 cents, I'm still hesitating. Is because it's not a good market. That's why I went for SEDANIA instead of DATAPRP, which has even huge upsides, around 7 cents, right? SEDANIA is only like 2 cents. So it might do like that. It might if they wanted to pump really strong, it might go. And one more thing is why DATAPRP can pump is because there's a team also. There's a 5G team. Because I think DATAPRP is included in the 5G sector. And Anwar actually said that he will look into the 5G team. Yeah, 5G team. Yeah. That's why I think this plus the DATAPRP it's originally a goreng stock, and plus this team, they might can goreng few more days. Yeah, so it's potential, and it's also really dangerous because it's usually a pump and dump stock. So be quick. Yeah, if you can't trade this, if you don't have the speed, then can just avoid that. Yeah, because not every stock you need to catch. Sometimes pump and dump stock, you can just look and learn first. After you have learned it, then you can catch the next one instead of just going into the first one and then get stuck or just result in losses. Okay, this one it popped up to straight up. So this 30 cents around 28 cents to 30 cents is actually quite actually here right now he's reaching a resistance already. You can see right here, resistance area, all the way to around 30 cents. So here if we wanted to force through, it would be easy, but if there's a lot of seller come out, this will be a hard resistance area to break out. So the next resistance area we're going to look at after it break out at 30 cents is around 34 to 35 cents, this area. Okay, so if you break out, I think you can easily reach around 35 cents soon. If you can break out, it's best if he holds a bit first, Maybe in the morning, it will try to retrace first and then shuts up again. Okay, so the supports and resistance are actually stated in the chat, in the group, so you guys can look at the DATAPRP SEDANIA. So actually, if DATAPRP went really strong, SEDANIA actually have some few upsides left one. I'm not sure if SEDANIA will follow it to go strong, go crazy or go strong. Because if this MA60 broke, it might go and test around 34 cents, 34 to around 36 cents. Okay, so actually for the DATAPRP, the support is really low. Okay, around 27 cents is because yesterday it closes right there, and around 25.5 cents is because yesterday he pulls back, and then retraces and then churns at around 25 to 25.5 cents. So if 25 and 25.5 cents broke, we might just look at 20 cents or 22 cents area here. Because he just straight away pushed one straight line out, it did not retrace any, so there's actually not much support right there. I just break through all the resistance just in one go. That's why the only support that's really strong or legit is around 25 cents. And if it broke 25 cents, then we'll look down to maybe 22 cents to 20 cents. So if it broke, we need to monitor for another support, because yesterday he does not give any support lower than 25 to 25.5 cents. So for SEDANIA, yeah, it's also the same, around 27 cents. It's when DATAPRP pulls back, and then SEDANIA also pulls back at around 27 to 27.5 cents. So 27 to 27.5 cents is the support. And then the next support is around 25 cents, which he turns all morning at 25 cents, around 25 cents, this price range, 25 to 24.5 cents, that area, this area. He churns at here before he pushed up. And after he pushed up, the retracement is at around 27 to 27.5 cents. So yeah, this is a more crucial support that we need to look at. So if it breaks down, we need to look at lower. Okay, for example, like this 27 cents breakdown, we need to look at around 25 cents. If this DATAPRP 25 cents broke down, we need to look at maybe 22 to 20 cents, because below 25 cents, yesterday he did not make any clear support for us to look at. And then the next one should be ICA, actually still sideways, but it's looking really bad with this candlestick. And then the others like Cosmos, yeah, it's just still wait. Okay, previously he did a ladder pattern right here. Currently he's going to do a ladder pattern right here again. Let's see, it's going to push up. Keep on monitoring. Inform also. So these are actually all the older stocks. So I'm not going to go through it again because I don't have much time. So the next one should be SLVEST, the solar team. SLVEST actually has already broke out. Okay, right here, actually broke out. So with SLVEST, we can also monitor Pekat. This Pekat actually, I'm not sure what it's doing, but I saw some correction. Right here at this area. So around 50 to 52 cents is actually a quite strong resistance. You can see it tested a few times and it cannot break out. So keep on looking at it. Pekat is actually quite low, but in the meantime, it might mean that he doesn't want to let it go yet. But I think it's quite potential because the volume actually increases at here, increases at this lower part area. Someone is definitely collecting. And the next one is SAMAIDEN. It's also Yeah, it's also going to break out soon. So all of this solar theme actually has volume already. So let's put it in our watch list to see if there's any movement. And the last one is SYSTECH, which we are holding at around 22.5 cents. Yep, at around 22.5 cents. So I'm actually queuing out at around 24.5 cents already. Okay, so let's see what's going later. What he's trying to do. Maybe he will break out. Yeah, maybe he will break out at 25 cents. Let's look at it later. If the momentum is strong, I might just withdraw a queue and then let it try to break out at 25 cents. If it can break out 25 cents, it will be really strong. If you can break out 25 cents at this area, if you can break out this resistance area, you can look at here. Yeah, look at here, and then this sip drop, it might go here or even go here. Okay, so this area.
Hi guys, it's Zach here. If you like my videos and want more contents like this, click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and trade well.